Welcome to the test results of my experimentation for collecting drinkable water from air using a dehumidifier. We have been running for a total of 3 hours, and it's drawing 514 watts right now. The humidity in the room is at 35%. Today's temperature was at 82, 83 degrees today, and we're going to see the results from this test. Again, the humidity is at 34% in this room right now. The day started out at 81%. So we're going to power off and came up with the perfect example here to contain our sample, and we can later do a test on it to find out the ppm and other testable check the pH and of the water. It's out the way. Okay, that's 32 ounces. Okay, that's another 32. Okay. And that's another 24, 25. Okay, I'm going to leave a little bit in the for testing. This is a ppm, parts per million. Now we don't know what those parts are, but it will tell us what the count is. It's 0. And I'm going to press the hold. good. Wow, this water is, let me see if I can get a close in on this. 16 parts per million. That is as good as my, almost as good as my reverse osmosis system. Let's check that again. Okay, we got a 0. Okay. All right. And let's press the hole. And we repeat it. There's another 16. Now my pH. Okay, after extensively looking, we found them. So we're going to take a test strip. Okay, and we got the color matching code. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see if we can see this. So we got a 7, pH of 7, which is pure water is supposed to have a pH of 7. I need some batteries for my pH meter. I don't have it, but any batteries, so we'll have to forego that test. But I think this water is drinkable, as is, especially in a crisis. So here we go. Yep, that's water. So the summary is that it's a little bit too expensive to operate on a daily basis, as long as you have other sources to get water. But under a crisis condition, and if you have power, this is a good alternative. To wrap up, we ran for 3 hours, and we used 1.5 kilowatt, okay, to generate that. And in my area, a kilowatt of power is roughly 26 cents, 20 cents, between 20 and 25 cents. It depends on the time of day. So it cost us roughly 30 cents to generate that. We had 64, and then 24 is 86 ounces of water. So roughly about pretty close to 3/4 of a gallon of water. And the humidity started out this morning at 81, and I think it finished up at around about 50, 60. So that was a pretty good production for 3 hours. So we can do our math and get a kind of a total of usage. Okay, yeah. Yeah, this is a 3-liter bottle, and it's about 2/3, a little bit more than 2/3, or almost 3/4 full. So I think that was a pretty good run there. Thank you for watching.